Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Leena and these are the headlines. Opposition on Friday criticized the government's move to amend the Lokayukta Act, questioning why government was spending money on a toothless act. Vijay's attack on tourism minister forces CM to intervene. Opposition guns for his head. Panji MLA gives casinos clean chit on traffic, says Panji traffic congestion is because of the traffic police as they are not doing their job properly. And now for the news in detail. Goa Forward MLA Vijay Sardesai set his guns towards the Tourism Minister Manohar Babu Azgaonkar on the money spent on events in foreign countries to boost tourism. Seeing Babu at a loss for words and getting defensive, Chief Minister was forced to intervene a la the late Manohar Parrikar. Here are the details.
The issue was that 33 crore was spent for the promotional event to attract international and domestic tourists, and a lot of it was in COVID lockdown times. 3 events were planned in Portugal, Germany and Moscow. When the event got cancelled during lockdown, there is no proper fact on the refund. Vijay said pre-audit should be done. However, Babu said the government is honest but insisted that there was no pre-audit needed. Listen to the war of words.
माझो स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन हा, ह्या डिसेंबराक नवे वर्सा खातीर कितले टुरिस्ट मंत्र्याचे प्रमाणे गोंया आयले, कितले इंटरनॅशनल कितले डोमेस्टिक?
स्पीकर सर, क्वेट टायमाक अजून पासून आम्ही सर्वे करू ना ती क्वेट टायमाची.
स्पीकर सर,
20 ची
मंत्र्यान स्पीकर सर, मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन हांव एक रिक्वेस्ट करता.
ना रे म्हाकाच कर रे.
मंत्र्यांनी शिकून येवचें, ताजे उत्तरान फिगर ताणें दिला.
क्वेट अजून पासून चालू आहा मरे.
तुवें दिले फिगर तुवें दिला. डोमेस्टिक टुरिस्ट 9,71,479 डोमेस्टिक आयल्या आणि इंटरनॅशनल आयल्या 7,935. हें तुजे उत्तरान मेळ्ळा. स्पीकर सर, हांव विचारता ताका ताजेच उत्तराचे प्रश्न, पूण मातशें शिकून येवंक जाय, भाशण न्ही.
कितें म्हणलें
स्पीकर सर, हांगाय बी हें बरयलां की इव्हेंट वॉज कॅन्सल्ड, ऑर्गनायझर्स रिफंडेड द बुकींग कॉस्ट, पूण मनी रिसिटाचेर खंय रिसीट दाखयना. दे रिफंडेड द बुकींग कॉस्ट म्हणटा. आणि पेंडींग अमाउंट म्हणून थंय एक कॉलम आहा, त्या पेंडींग अमाउंटान रिसिप्ट कॉलम म्हणून आसूंक जाय आशिल्लो की तांचे पयशे आमकां आयले म्हणून. ते नाच. तुम्ही जुनान सगळें बंद आसतना ऑर्डर कशी दिली?
1-2 महिने पयलीं जाय.
पळय 2 महिने जाले, 15 दीस जाले. 2 महिने तर जुनाचे 2 महिने कितें जाता पयलीं? मे जाता, एप्रिल जाता, सगळे लॉकडाऊन.
बारीक
लोक म्हणटाले तेन्ना तूं ऑर्डर कशी दिता?
खंय घुसपा सोदता आमकां.
अरे
आमचो कसलो
उत्तर
इंटरेस्ट नाही
तुमचें दा. घुसपता कित्याक तूं स्पीकर सर?
सांग, तुका जाय ती इन्क्वायरी करायची भितर.
इन्क्वायरी कर.
कसलोच काय भितर न्ही.
स्पीकर सर, दिस शुड बी नोटेड डाउन. मंत्री सेइंग इन्क्वायरी कर इन्क्वायरी
कर.
स्पीकर सर, 30% पेपर वेट चालू आहा.
स्पीकर
पेपर
सर,
वेट 30%
स्पीकर सर, आय एम ऑन द लेट. यू सिट.
30%
बस
पेपर वेट.
तू बस पळतय.
30 कोटीचे 10 कोटी खाले.
बसून ती पळतय. यांचे गव्हर्नमेंट हा पळय, हे पारदर्शक गव्हर्नमेंट, याच्याबद्दल कोणूच बोट टाकू शकना.
सर,
स्पीकर सर,
प्रश्न साधा हा.
स्पीकर सर,
कितले पैसे पडते दिले? भाषण कितें दिता? वा
आता म्हणटा हांवें 30% घेतले म्हणून. हेचे भाशेन फॉर्मल इन करपाचो हांव मनीस न्ही. आमी म्हणटे आमचे प्रामाणीक मनीस आमी काम करपी.
स्पीकर सर,
सांगता बस थंय.
प्रामाणिक मंत्र्यान पैसे
स्पीकर
कितले
सर,
पडते दिले?
स्पीकर सर, हे
स्पीकर सर,
प्रामाणिक मंत्र्यान पैसे कितले कॅल्क्युलेट करून शिकय म्हणटा.
टुरिजमाचो खंयचोय जर आउट ऑफ कंट्री शो करतलो आसत जाल्यार तेजी ऑर्डर ही इन एडवान्स. आता ते कितले म्हयने दिता ही म्हाका सारकी खबर ना. स्पेसिफिकली हांव तितूर वचूंक ना. बट इंटरनॅशनल इव्हेंट करतलो आसत जाल्यार 3 महिने तरी एडवान्स, म्हणजे ताजो टेंडरींग प्रोसेस आनी ते खूब पयलीं जाल्या उपरांत, म्हणजे भितरलो इव्हेंट तांकां ऑर्डर जी आसा ही खूब पयलीं दिली वता. म्हाका दिसता एजन्सी ऑन बोर्ड आसल्या कारणान तो थंय वचून आपली तयारी करतलो. थंयसर बेजीक हांव तुका
जुनान ट्रॅव्हल बंद आशिल्लें, जर्मनी पावतलो कसो?
आता इवन दो मार्चाची इव्हेंटाची जर तयारी करतलो आसत जाल्यार कन्सर्न एजन्सीक थंयसर जानेवारीन तरी वयचो पडटलो. आतां जुनाचो इव्हेंटाचो आतां तेजी बेजीक तयारी तेणी थंयसर केल्या आसतली. वॉट एवर द थिंग्स ते पेमेंट कितें ती केल्या आसतली हें तेजें म्हणणें आसा. हांव कितलें केलें आनी कितें ना तितूर वचना. तुका कितें तरी टुरिस्ट आयल्या म्हणून 10 lakhs दिले, हें हॉटेलाच्या हेज्या वयल्यान घेतले वयता. कितले टुरिस्ट आयले, बट फॉर द 25 डिसेंबर पासून तशें 3 जानेवारी पर्यंत बाय रोड्स कितलेशेच ट्रॅव्हल्सांनी येवन आतांय बी टुरिस्ट जे आहा पळय न्ही हे अजूनय बी वेगवेगळ्या लोकांच्या म्हणजे गेस्ट हावजांनी रावतात, वेगवेगळे कडेन रावतात. अजूनय बी म्हणजे कितलीशीच गेस्ट हावजांय बी तशी पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार रजिस्टर्ड ना. फाटल्या दिसांनी टुरिझम मिनिस्टर आणि तांच्यांनी गेस्ट हावजीस रजिस्टर्ड करचे म्हणूनय अनाउन्स केल्ले.
स्पीकर सर, म्हजो एक प्रश्न आहा.
Time, no.
Figure, where are the figures? You are not able to give a single
You
figure.
asked nearly 5 questions.
अरे, where is the answer?
स्पेशल सर,
You answer.
या गव्हर्मेंटान म्हाका टुरिझम मंत्री केला. ही एक व्हडली चॅलेंज आसा म्हाज्या मुखार, कारण बारीक समाजाचे ह्या पदार येतात तेन्ना असले लोक उलोवपी खूब असतात. म्हणून स्पीकर सर आमकां चिंतून उलोवपाक पडटा, चिंतून टक्कर दिवपाक पडटा.
Samip Narvikar for Goa 365 from Porvorim.
Porvorim MLA Rohan Khaute on Friday criticized the government move to amend the Lokayukta Act. He questioned why the government was simply spending money in appointing a Lokayukta when it was bent on rendering him toothless. Here's more.
The government is actually afraid of Lokayukta as there are many cases with regard to mining, beach cleaning, labor scam, etc. He said it is pointless to have a toothless Lokayukta. The Assembly on Thursday passed the Lokayukta Amendment Act. Listen in.
I've already shared it. They should have cancelled it. They are simply spending extra money on the Lokayukta, appointing the Lokayukta, Upalokayukta. They have made it toothless. They are scared of this. म्हणून हांवें म्हणलें की लोकायुक्ता फॉबिया जाल्या म्हणून हांकां. हे भिल्या, लोकायुक्ता शब्दाकूच भिल्या, कित्याक ज्यो केसी जाल्या मायनींग, बीच क्लिनींग, लेबर, बाकीच्यो सगळ्यो जाल्ल्यो आसा हातून ते खंय ना जाल्यार खंय आंग काडिल्लें आसा. आनी जे आतां तांणी लास्ट 1.5 वर्सान जे केलां कारणामे ते इतले आसात. काल हांवें तुमकां मोपाचो स्टोरी सांगली, पूण इतले आसा की सोंपचें ना. सो यू नीड अ लोकायुक्ता हू विल बी प्रॉपर टू अंडरस्टँड द इश्यूज ऑफ करप्शन वॉट दीस पीपल हॅव रेज, नॉट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट. थंय तांणी दादागिरी केल्ली आसा. सो वी हॅव आस्क्ड फॉर डिविजन ऑफ वोट्स. ज्या लोकांक नाका आशिल्ले ते उबे राविल्ले आसा. दे वील हॅव टू आन्सर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा वेन टायम कम्स की वाय दे स्टूड अप अगेन्स्ट द फॉर द चेंजेस इन द लोकायुक्ता टू मेक इट टूथलेस.
Lokayukta has been deprived of their as a result. As a result, I don't feel an advocate with self-respect will work as clerk under government. Goa Forward Chief Vijay Sardesai said.
काल तांणी लोकायुक्त कंप्लीट सारको विस्कळीत केल्लो आहा, निखळायल्लो आहा. लोकायुक्त म्हणटा ते इन्स्टिट्यूशनाची रेप जाल्या काल. आनी खंयचो जुईज आपल्याक स्वाभिमानी जुईज लोकायुक्त म्हणून हांचे सकयल येतलो तो म्हाका कोण असो फुडें येतलो असो दिसना. की कोणाक तरी इल्ली तरी लज आसतली. खरो लोकायुक्त म्हणटा तो तांचो पिवन जातलो. आतां जे नवे बिलाचे हातून जर आमी विचार करूंक गेले जाल्यार लोकायुक्त म्हणटा तो ह्या सरकाराचो पिवन जातलो. आनी येदो व्हडलो जुईज जो आपूण आपले विधान आपल्या जिवितान बरो रिस्पेक्ट कमयता तो असो सारको सकयचे पातळेर वचून हांचे गाडी मेळटा आनी ऑफिस मेळटा म्हणून करतलो असो म्हाका दिसना.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 at the Secretariat.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Panji MLA Babush Monserrat on Friday said Panji traffic congestion is not because of the casinos but because of traffic police. He said the traffic police are not doing their job properly. Hence Panji residents and commuters have to face chaotic traffic. Babush said that there aren't many casino vehicles. If the traffic police start doing their job properly, things will automatically fall in place. Here are the details.
The people of Panjim is because of the traffic congestion that casinos create. But if you go to see, it is not only the casinos which create, it is more because of these other boats which are there, the tourist boats. Those are the things which actually which is creating the traffic jams. If this traffic jam is not created, I don't think there is any problem as far as the people of Panjim. I think traffic police also is not doing much, basically, if you go to see. It is the responsibility, as far as the traffic is concerned, is the responsibility of the traffic police. Earlier, in earlier days, maybe 25-30 years back, if you go, it was just two people basically was controlling the traffic in Panjim. But I understand that at the time the traffic also was less. But comparably to from that time to this time, the traffic, basically the personnel also of traffic has grown at least in more than 100 times what was there at that time. Traffic, the important is, I blame the traffic police actually.
So you think they are not doing their job properly?
They are definitely not doing their job properly. I think it is the traffic police that has got to be blamed because of the chaos which has been created in Panjim. As far as Fontana said, that area is concerned, all these bikes basically are parked. So now we have basically made that no parking zone. Then some pay parking and all are there. But still, basically the people who are working for the casinos park their bikes. Otherwise, it should be the owners. The owners is not on the casino owners. They say that Baba, we are not bothered what happens outside. Our thing is what happens inside our. So that is then this is the role of the police, no? Basically, the police, the traffic police, basically should see that everything is clear. That is what I am trying to do. As far as the town police is concerned, they are doing a very good job. There are hardly any basically cases coming up, or as far as tourists have been harassed or anything like that. But if the problem here is only the traffic police. I think traffic police is not doing its job.
Irshad Sheikh with Glenn Costa for Goa 365 at the Secretariat in Porvorim.
Despite living in modern buildings, citizens do not take hygiene and sanitization seriously. A building in Marcel is releasing its sewage water in the open, locals complain. This has been going on for the past several days. As a result, sewage has collected behind the building, posing a health hazard to locals in the vicinity. Here's more.
The sewage has become a mosquito breeding ground. Betki Health Center has issued a notice to the building asking for a reply within 7 days. But the residents do not seem to be bothered. On the ground floor, there are many shops in the building, including one sweet shop.
विष्णू स्मृती बिल्डिंग आसा ते बिल्डिंगेची सगळी ड्रेनेज आनी म्हाका दिसता संडासाचे आसूंक शकता. सबन हांगासर तुमी म्हाज्या फाटल्यान पळयत जाल्यार सगळे हांगासर तेंचे ड्रेनेज व्हांवता आनी हे बिल्डिंगेन जे रहिवासी आसा ते कितें करता ते म्हाका कळना. त्या रहिवाशाची जबाबदारी तितलीच आसा की हांगासर हे सगळें साफ सफाई करपाचें. येदो व्हडलो देशान मंत्र दिल्लो आसा, आमच्या प्रधानमंत्र्यान मंत्र दिल्लो आसा स्वच्छ अभियान म्हणून. म्हणल्यार आमकां सांगपाक सोदता की स्वच्छता अभियान हो मंत्र जरी सरकारान दिलो आनी जर प्रधानमंत्र्यान दिलो जाल्यार एक नागरीक किंवा आमच्या हांगासरले रहिवासी म्हणून आमची तितलीच जबाबदारी आसा की आमी आपलो परिसर स्वच्छ दवरपाचो. हें जर आज तुमी जर पळयत न्हू जाल्यार हांगासर दुयेंतान मरपाची परिस्थिती आसा आनी हांगा ह्या जे कॉम्प्लेक्स आसा तितून मिठाईची शॉपां आसा, लायटीची शॉपां आसा, पेंटाची शॉपां आसा, बँक आसा, इतली रहदारी आसलेली बिल्डींग आसा आनी तेच्या फाटल्यान पळयत जाल्यार हांगासर ड्रेनेजाचे एक पायप फुटला. तेका एक गुड्डी दिले जाल्यार तितलेंच तरी उदक बंद जातलें आसलें पूण तेची कोणूच काळजी घेना. कंप्लेंट म्हाका दिसता तेची कंप्लेंट आमच्या हॉस्पिटलान प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटरान पावल्ली आसा आनी सगळ्यांक नोटिसो सर्व केल्ली आसा.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
The one-time settlement for unpaid water bills have been extended till 28th February. PWD Minister Deepak Pavaskar announced 20 to 100% discount is still there in delayed payment charges. Here are the details.
PWD had announced its one-time settlement scheme for water bills on 31st December last year. Now the scheme has been extended till 28th February. The bill can be paid in 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 installments. If defaulters do not take benefit of the scheme or their connections will be disconnected. Listen to what PWD minister has to say.
31 डिसेंबर 2020 हे नोटिफिकेशन जाल्लें आसा. ते प्रमाणे हे नोटिफिकेशन वॅलीड अप टू 31 जानेवारी 2021 म्हटल्यार आसुल्लें. त्या दिसां भितर आमकां जवळ जवळ 71 केसी आयिल्ल्यो.
40 लाख रिकवरी.
हय, जवळ जवळ त्या हेतूर 40 लाख रिकवरी जाली. आनी आतां 31 जानेवारीक ही स्कीम सोंपपाची आसा तेन्ना आमी एक्सटेंड करपा खातीर आयज ही पत्रकार परिशद घेतल्या. आनी ही आमी 28 फेब्रुवारी 2021 म्हटल्यार लोकां खातीर उक्ती आसतली. डिले पेमेंट चार्जीस जो लागला तो 31 ऑक्टोबर 2020 म्हटल्यार जेंचे टेम्पररी डिस्कनेक्शन जाल्लें आहा, परमनंट डिस्कनेक्शन जाल्लें आहा, तेंच्या सगळ्या खातीर आसा.
एग्जाम्पल घेवपा जाल्यार एक 10,000 जर पेमेंट कोणाचो आसा दिवपाचो वॉटर सप्लाय बिलाचो, तातूंत एक 5,000 ताचे खरेंच बिलाचे पयशे आसा आनी 5,000 ताका इंट्रस्ट आनी बाकी गजाली मेळून हें जाता, इंट्रस्टाचेर इंट्रस्ट लागून, जाल्यार आमच्या स्किमी प्रमाणे 7 दिसां भितर जर ताणें तें एप्लाय केलें आनी पयलो इन्स्टॉलमेंट जर तो पे करता जाल्यार त्या 5,000चेर ताका फक्त 10,000तले फक्त 5,000च भरचे पडटा. म्हणजे जे उरलेले 5,000 जे आसा ते डिलेड पेमेंट आसा ताजेर आमी 100% सूट दिता. तेच तर तो आनी ते ताका 2 म्हयन्यांनी 2 इन्स्टॉलमेंटांनी भरचे पडटले, म्हणजे 2,500 आनी 2,500. ती स्कीम जर 10,000ची तो 3 इन्स्टॉलमेंटांनी भरूंक सोदता जाल्यार ताजेर कितें करचें पडटलें की पयलो जो इन्स्टॉलमेंट 7 दिसांनी भरचो पडटलो आनी 3 इक्वल इन्स्टॉलमेंटांनी भरचे पडटले आनी जे 5,000 ताचे डिलेड पेमेंट आसा ताजेर ताका जवळ जवळ 20% भरचे पडटा. म्हणजे 5 दुनी 10 म्हळ्यार ऑलमोस्ट 1,000 भरचो पडटलो, 4,000ची ताका सूट मेळटली. सो अश्यो ह्यो आमच्यो 5 कॅटेगरी आसा. सो जितके जे डिले जातलो ताका ते मायच पयशे भरचे पडटले. सो लोकांनी हाजी एडवांटेज घेवन बेगिनाच बेगीन हे ड्यूज क्लियर करचे, त्यामुळे तांचेर जे इंट्रस्ट पार्ट जो आसा तो 100% सुद्दां आमकां वेव करूंक मेळटा. बाकीच्यो गजाली मिनिस्टरान तुमकां ऑलरेडी सांगिल्ल्यो आसा.
इर्शाद शेख फोगवा 365 from Panaji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. On Friday, Girdoli Chandor locals along with Panchayat members stopped the ongoing work along the railway of constructing a retaining wall. Later, railway officials held meeting with the locals and decided that work will be kept pending for a date till and another meeting will be held on Saturday to sort out the issue.
Villagers along the south-western railways are upset over the ongoing work of doubling the railway track. Various villagers have been agitating. Locals allege that railway officials carry out work in properties without acquiring the land.
People are worried that the rivers have been buried, existing rivers of the day have been buried. Okay, and they have certain say that certain land which is not acquired, the mud has been filled, work is ongoing. If that is the case, wherever the land is not acquired, that has to be stopped immediately. Flow of river, whatever is there, it has to be taken care. The national water body has to go the way it has to go. Now they have told us that they will come and meet us in person. So now we'll speak to them and ask them when it's convenient for them. And we have to see all the numbers, whether they are available on that particular day. We'll sit and we'll see what they have to say. Because we had given them in writing the expansion plan of this area which falls in Girdoli jurisdiction, which they have not provided us anything.
आमची मागणी ही रिव्हरातली माती पडी गायला ती रिव्हरातली माती काढून उडोवची. आमची रिव्हर तेणे आहा तशी जाती, तेणी एक्वायर केला ते आमकां लागना. रिव्हर आहा ती रिव्हर दवरची, तांकां जर तूं डेव्हलपमेंट रोड करूंक जाय कितें जाय तेणी तेंच्या वयल्यान ब्रिज बांदून वचची, पण माती घालून दिवची ना. ते पळय म्हणटात हे की हो रस्तो गांवच्या लोकां पासत देंवता एकूय गोट ना.
As demanded by the public, we have requested the public, the panchayat and few leaders will sit down for a meeting with us tomorrow in the morning. And as a mark of respect to the people's sentiment, we are calling off work till the meeting tomorrow. Okay. Outcome of the meeting.
Ramesh Naik Rath Fogwa 365 from Girdoli.
And now for some sports news. A lot of cards were shown, but this cards notwithstanding, Kalangut Association managed to beat Welsau SCC by 2-0. Here are the details.
It was the day 3 of the Selville Goa Pro League played at the Duler Stadium in Mapsa. Goals scored in 26 minutes by Kwame gave Kalangut Association the lead. Welsau created beautiful chances, but the finishing let them down. However, Siddharth Kundekar added to the lead for Kalangut in the 86th minute, which sealed Welsau's fate. The final score was 2-0. Watch out for Chelcher Brothers SC as they take on Vasco SC on Saturday live on Goa 365 TV from 3:30 onwards. Clinton D'Souza with Shyam Chari for Goa 365 in Dulair.
And now for the weather. Dry weather prevailed over the state. There was no large change in minimum temperature over North Goa and South Goa districts. The lowest minimum temperature of 21.2 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panji. No large change in minimum temperature likely during the next 48 hours over the district. There will be a gradual rise in minimum temperature by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius likely thereafter. No weather warnings for the next 5 days starting from 29 January 2021.
It is very likely to be dry over the district during the next 5 days starting from 29 January 2021. No large change in minimum temperature likely during the next 48 hours over the district. Gradual rise in minimum temperature by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius likely thereafter over the district. Weather is very likely to be dry over the district during the next 5 days starting from 29 January 2021. Dry weather prevailed over the state. There was no large change in minimum temperature over North Goa and South Goa. Lowest minimum temperature of 21.2 degrees Celsius recorded at Panaji. There will be a gradual rise in minimum temperature by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius likely thereafter. No weather warnings for next 5 days. Goa 365 Bureau.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log in website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.